Hey, if you're someone who's not comfortable with their weight and not happy with the way you feel about your body, but you don't have the motivation to take the first step towards losing weight and getting into the best shape of your life, or when you think about getting started, your brain starts playing with all of these excuses, so you stay stuck in the I'll start tomorrow loop, then in this video, I want to give you 3 mindset principles that you need to have to build a strong and positive mindset. So you can not only have the motivation to kick off your weight loss quest, but also develop self-accountability to make consistent progress in your journey for the long haul. When you have self-accountability, you will not only lose weight, but you'll be able to keep it off for the rest of your life. You see, studies have proven that 90% of weight loss is about having a strong and positive mindset. And if you don't believe me, you can just check Google. And most people actually ignore this fact, so they set sail to try to start figuring out and find the perfect workout plan and the perfect meal plan that's supposed to magically get them into amazing shape. But the reality is you're not going to lose any weight unless you stick to your perfect routine for long enough. And you can't stick to your diet and exercises if you don't have the right mindset. You see, a lot of people go on YouTube and they look up the best diet or the best workout in order to lose 10 pounds or to lose body fat. They spend hours doing research to make a perfect routine to try it out for like 5 to 7 days and then totally forget about it. Maybe you can relate to this too, but that's why it's so important to have the right mindset before you take a single step towards improving your body. So the first mindset principle is perfectionism leads to paralysis. What I mean by that is when you wait for the perfect date to start your weight loss journey or wait for everything to be perfect before taking any action, most of the time you end up not starting at all. And if you don't end up starting at all, you will either stay stuck at your current weight or keep piling up more fat and weight until the point where nobody's able to recognize. That's why instead of waiting for the perfect time to come to you, just think, what are the small actions that I could take today, like right at this moment, that will get me one step closer to the weight loss goals that I want to accomplish. It could be as easy as saying no to the burger and yes to the salad instead, or going for a 10 to 20 minute refreshing walk. Remember that small things gradually add up to a big result. So never brush off these little victories. They are the building blocks that turn into major victories. The second mindset, external accountability, results in internal accountability. You see, the reason why some people are able to accomplish and succeed at having weight loss success is because they have their own self-accountability. That's why they were able to motivate themselves when they feel like giving up or they're tired or they're feeling at their lowest. They could reject the self-doubt and excuses in their head, and they never struggled to stay consistent. Hence, why they were able to lose weight without ever getting it back. By the way, not everybody is born with self-accountability, but that doesn't mean you can't develop this trait. For the vast majority of people, in order to become self-accountable, first they need to have some external accountability. It's like, remember when you were younger, your parents would tell you all the time to brush your teeth? What they did is they gave you external accountability that allowed you to develop internal accountability. And that's the reason why, to this day, you're able to stay consistent with brushing your teeth, because it's a habit that you've developed forever. The best way to have external accountability is to have an accountability partner. For me, my accountability partner was my coach. He helped me develop internal accountability by motivating me to stay consistent. When I started on my journey, he had a tremendous impact on my journey and success. He took all of the guesswork out of what I had to do and prevented any failures or plateaus, as well as he pushed me and helped me to push myself to things and goals that I genuinely didn't think were possible. So if you need an external accountability partner, I'd be glad to help. Just shoot me a DM on Instagram. The third mindset principle is don't listen to your massive ego. I see so many people make the same mistake that cost them years with little to no results to show for it. And even I made this mistake when I first got started on my weight loss journey when I weighed over 360 pounds. I thought I knew everything I needed to do in order to lose weight on my own, so I refused to get help. I would research this thing and that thing and try it. I would do and test and buy different diets, and some would work, but most, if not all, would fail because I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. And I did this for 4 years and only had about 20 pounds lost to show for it, which I eventually gained back anyways. In the end, I tried every little thing in the book or that you could research. But after I decided to invest in myself and hire a coach, I lost over 150 pounds in just under 2 years. Do you want to know why? Because I paid money to a coach to create a personalized meal plan and workout plan and motivate the living shit out of me, who also helped me stay accountable and made me stick to the plan. If I didn't, it would be like I was just wasting a bunch of my money and a bunch of my time. That is, in my opinion, the best way to motivate and hold yourself accountable. On top of that, my coach was always there to motivate me even when I was feeling at my absolute lowest. There were days where I wanted to end my life where I called him. He helped me overcome every single roadblock on my weight loss journey. And that's how I was able to make more progress in just 2 years than all the other 4 years combined, plus the other decade of failure on top of that. Don't let your ego hold you back from investing in yourself. Even the best of the best athletes, business people, entrepreneurs, every person under the sun that are successful have and hire a coach. So if you're really committed to finally losing that extra weight that you've been struggling with forever, and you feel motivated to make a change finally, then go to the first link in the description and schedule a free chat with me or someone on my team so we can help you get into the best shape of your life. Thanks for watching this video and making it all the way to the end. I hope we speak soon. If not, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.